Hello, this is Abby from Realistic Kitchen and Gardens, and today we're making lemon curd. I'm mixing up 14 egg yolks, 8 whole eggs together, and then adding 600 grams or 5 cups of powdered sugar. You can use any fine grit sugar. You don't want it gritty in your curd. You're then going to incorporate the sugar and then add 1.5 cups of cold diced up butter. I use salted. And you'll also need 2 cups of lemon juice. From that 4 pounds of lemons you saw me peel last time, I got 2 2/4 cups. I started with a whisk so that the powdered sugar didn't go everywhere, and then we're mixing with a hand mixer since it needs to be over a double boiler. You can see the butter is still clumpy here because it's still pretty cool. It's only 77 degrees. And then in this you can see that it's nice and smooth. It's now about 93.5 degrees. So all of the ingredients should be melted and incorporated by now. We are waiting to see this thicken. So here it is at about 160 degrees. I'm using a meat thermometer. You should really use a candy thermometer because this gets so thick and viscous. But cook until 170 degrees. You see a trivet on my counter to get that landed. So this took me about 15 minutes. It heats up pretty fast. You can see how nice and thick that is. The eggs are cooked. They thicken up really nicely. And then you're going to continue stirring for 5 minutes. I changed to a whisk because I was sick of my bouncy hand mixer. But that's it. All done. You can either put this in the fridge as is, or can it. Stay tuned to see me can this in the next video, which will make it shelf stable for 4 months.